Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. There is no one path. There is not even the right path. There is only your path. The path to success is to take massive, determined action. Choosing a path means having to miss out on others. If you find a path with no obstacles, it probably doesn't lead anywhere. The path of least resistance is the path of the loser. Choose your own path, not the one others may want you to. You make your own luck. Ambition is the path to success. Persistence is the vehicle you arrive in. Follow your own path, no matter what people say. There is a simple path to follow that appears only when you calm your mind. Follow your passion. It will lead you to your purpose. On this path, let the heart be your guide. Don't do it for the money. Follow the path to do what makes your heart beat faster. Follow your passion. There is only one path to heaven. On earth, we call it love. Remember, when life's path is steep, to keep your mind even. No one achieves great things by following the crowd. Have a spine. Strike your own path. If you are always following the crowd, you will never truly know who you are. Walk your own path. Don't go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. The steps you take today bring you closer to the path you will follow tomorrow. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a mystery to be lived. Follow the path that is no path. Follow your bliss. Don't be what you are told to be. Follow your own path. Be your own person. Don't get held down by everyone else. Take any path you like. Follow any prophet you like. But have only that method which suits your own nature, so that you will be sure to progress. Swami Vivekananda. Never be afraid to tread the path alone. Know which is your path and follow it wherever it may lead you. Do not feel you have to follow in someone else's footsteps. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.